Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited to bring you this month's Stitch Fix. It is a small box, but good things come in small packages, right? So if you'd like to see what I got in this month's box along with the try-on, keep on watching. Okay, so it is a relatively small box, which probably means no shoes, which is fine. I don't think I've ever kept a pair of shoes. But yeah, let's see now. If you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it's a subscription service that has a $20 styling fee, and there's 5 articles of clothing that get sent to your house, and you get the opportunity to try them on and decide if you'd like to keep anything, or you can just send it back. If you keep anything, that $20 styling fee goes towards your purchase. And you have a stylist that you kind of get to converse with and tell her what you would like for that upcoming box, as well as share your Pinterest board with them so that they can kind of see the styles that you like. So last month I had a different stylist. Oh, and if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments down below, or I'll leave all the information to Stitch Fix down below. But so let's see who it is today. Okay, it's back to Cassandra. So I had Cassandra before. I just like ripped this, and then I had someone new last month. So it says it sounds like you have amazing summer. That's what I had kind of shared with Cassandra, is that I have a lot of stuff going on this summer that I needed some new pieces for, all that were included, like a pool, hot weather, things like that. So this collection will kick off your summer with a bang. Some shorts, colorful top. She noticed that I pinned a few yellow pieces on my Pinterest board, so she included a yellow piece, a romper, and an easy throw-on dress. Yeah, so she kind of, based on my note and my Pinterest board, found a few things that she thought would work, and I'm excited to see what it is. So here is my itty bitty burrito. I can definitely see the yellow. I see some stripes. I see some good stuff. So, all these boxes everywhere. So let's see. As usual in my Stitch Fix unboxings, I show you everything, give you my first impression, and tell you how much everything retails for, and then I do a try on and then kind of give you what I actually think of it on. And then I leave all of the items in this description box down below. So if you want to purchase an item, you can Google it and find it at a local retailer. Or you can, if you are a Stitch Fix customer, you can request it from your stylist. And then down below that, I put a little asterisk and I just let you know exactly what I kept or exchanged. So the first thing I'm seeing, I'm looking to tell you the prices. So this, I think, is a Z Supply Shane Cold Shoulder Cotton Blend Knit. It did the ... So I'm assuming it's a dark pink. This retails for $32, and this is just a really easy throw-on shirt. It has the little cutouts. It looks like it's short, but it's not going to be super skin tight. That might be nice for something easy to throw on, especially when it's warm out. So next up, I have the 9 Britton Sumi Knit Romper in the color navy. This is $48. Oh, this is cute. This is the back. Scoop neck in the front. It ties, and it has these shorts. It has pockets. Now, from first impression, I really like it, but knowing my relationship with rompers, they just don't tend to look very good on me. I tend to need a shorter short. And this might be short enough. I'm trying to look at, like, it may be short enough, but because I'm short and then I'm short waisted, they tend to not fit well. And plus, I am very much like built like this. So I think that rompers that cinch in the middle, or any kind of dresses, tend to help work best on people who have more of a like hourglassy kind of figure, but that's just my personal opinion. I have no idea because I don't have a body like that, but I usually know that rompers like that just don't fit me very well. This looks promising. This is the Fortune and Ivy Liberty back detail knit dress in white, and this is $44, and this is really cute. I love that it has a v-neck. I love the detail in the back, and it ties, and it looks like it's like not totally straight down where it's going to be like a bag on you, although I really do like dresses like that because they're super comfy, but that it's really going to work with your shape. And so I'm excited to try that on. It feels super comfy. Okay, next up, this is the yellow that she was talking about. This is the Jella Halleck crochet sleeve blouse. This retails for $36. This is really pretty. However, really not a material that I would want in some of the places that I'm going to. This is a little bit fancier than I'd want, but you never know. I'm going to try it on. If you're interested in where I'm going and what I'm kind of gearing my boxes for the next few months, is that I am taking a trip at the end of this month to Vegas for 3 days. I then will be in a Disneyland for 4 days, and then I'll be in Hawaii for a week. So definitely places that are warm and that I don't want to, you know, to think about too fussy of clothes, like throw on easy, they're gonna breathe. The next one is the Vigoss Pixie distressed cuff shorts. These are $48. These are okay, they're cute. I just prefer like a cutoff denim. These almost, I don't know. I'm gonna try them on, but I do prefer cutoff denim shorts rather than cuffed. Personal preference. Okay, so let's get to trying all of these pieces on. Okay, so first up we have this incredibly tight shirt. It is so constricting. Yeah, so this is a no. It's cute, but for me also, it's kind of what I'm looking for, is not something like this. Now, maybe if I was looking for more work clothes or things like that, I might keep it, but I really try and only stick with things that I'm looking for in the current months or current season, because otherwise I won't use it and it'll just sit in my closet, and maybe by the time I wear it I won't like it anymore. So that's kind of my way of thinking. So just so you know, it's not a bad shirt, it's just for, I'm a teacher on summer break, and this is the kind of clothing I wouldn't necessarily wear for anything that I'm going to, or just, you know, running errands. It's so tight, so tight, I can't breathe. Next. Okay, so here's this next shirt. I'm not in love with this shirt either. One, I just don't think it's very flattering, and then two, if I'm throwing on a shirt, I really do want to be able to wear a bra with it, and like I'd have to wear a strapless bra, and if you have big boobs, you know how comfortable they can be. But I mean, it could be cute for somebody, just not me. A little discouraged, not gonna lie. So let's move on. Okay, so next up I have the striped dress. Now, it is okay. Let me throw my hair up so you can kind of see the back. I think the back is like, gives it an interesting detail. I actually think it's pretty flattering. It's a good length on me, not too long, not too short. Yeah, I like it, but I don't love it. I don't know how much wear I would get out of it besides like maybe Hawaii, but I don't know. I may keep it because I don't have anything really similar, and I don't know, so we'll see. I'm so just like, I just feel really discouraged. This again is not cute on me. I just feel like it's like super unflat. It doesn't like cinch in, so it's just like one piece. I don't know, it's not cute. I like literally at this point I just want to be like, I'm not showing you anymore, I'm done, throw in the towel. I don't know, you guys. I have one more thing to try on. Let's just get through that first. Okay, so last thing is these shorts. They're okay. I don't like the way this looks here, just like poochy, and they're okay. Sorry, you can like see. They're okay. They're nothing great. I have a pair very similar to this from Anthropologie that I think fits a little bit better, so these are definitely not a winner. And at this point, everything's going back. I just feel really discouraged in this. My last one wasn't great. This one wasn't great. I just feel like, and it could be my fault that I'm just not communicating what I want. I don't know. I'm not giving up. But I may request a new stylist. Now, nothing against Cassandra or any of the stylists there, but I think that maybe sometimes we're missing the mark on like what I'm wanting and like my fit. I think that I tell her a lot of times about my fit, and I just feel like it's not really getting across that way. I just feel like things are not a fit I want. I don't know. But I think that I maybe should switch it up and kind of see. So I'm going to send this off as soon as possible and then request a new box like right away, because I want to get something for Hawaii. I want some new pieces. So anyway, total, you know, these things happen. I'm not frustrated with a Stitch Fix or with Cassandra. I'm just frustrated that I can't get any cute clothes, and I have a funky body shape. And so this happens to me when I go shopping just in general too. So I mean, especially when you're getting something delivered to you, it's not always going to fit right. They're going to not know exactly your body shape or your style. So that's kind of the fun piece, is that sometimes you get pieces that you wouldn't normally try. I just had a few misses, but I'm going to try a new stylist and see how that goes. If you have any recommendations on stylists, leave them down below. I don't know that I will get your recommendations by the time I order a new box, but if the next stylist doesn't work out, yeah, and if any, you know, any hints or tips or recommendations, I'm here for them, you guys. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.